A very good morning, everyone. Now we have officially entered into the another academic year, starting from 2021st June and would probably end in the March of 2022. So, as far as the Calicut University final year students are concerned, this is our fifth semester beginning. So, first of all, I wish all the very best for each and every students. And we know we are going through an absolutely unprecedented situation. But with the technological advancements that we have, hopefully we are able to learn through the various platforms that we have, even though the efficacy or the efficiency of this kind of learning is still, we cannot say 100%. But even though we have no other way but just to switch to another way of learning, and probably you won't have any other hurdles because you have gone through it, experienced it, and you have been experiencing it for the last 1 year. So you are not new to this new form of, I would say, learning, particularly online learning. So once again, be very optimistic. Again, all these are really challenging times. The only thing that we have to do is just to rise to the occasion and try to accept this challenge, and also try to grab each and every opportunity that we have with both your hands. Okay, so without any further delay, let us discuss about the paper that has to be learned. So the paper is business research method, simply BRM. So as the name suggests, this is all about business research. Now research is a very familiar word to everyone. So this is all about what a business research is, what are the process involved in it, what are the things that we need to do before doing a research, what are the different categories of it, who are the persons involved in it, then what are the importance of doing a research, stuff like that, right? So we have 5 modules to cover, starting from the first module. The first module is all about business research. The first module will give you basic idea of why we are conducting a research, and also will give you an idea about the basic fundamentals of business research. So when we go through the first module, We have business research, its definition and significance, features of business research, the research process, variable, proposition, types of research, exploratory and causal research, theoretical and empirical research, basic and applied research, descriptive research, phases of business research, research hypothesis, characteristics, research in an evolutionary perspective, role of theory in a research, theory building, induction and deduction theory. And this module has to be taken within 10 hours and it contributes 15 marks to your university exams, right? So this is first module. Now the second module is research design. Now research design is nothing but a plan to do a research, particularly business research. Again, the module 2 comprises research design, definition, types of research design, exploratory and causal research design, the descriptive experimental design, types of experimental design, then validity of findings, internal and external validity, variables in research, measurement and scaling, different scales, construction of instruments, validity and reliability of instruments. So the second module is about research design, and the third module is about data collection. In that, we have types of data, primary versus secondary data, methods of primary data collection, survey versus observation, experiments, construction of questionnaire and instrument, validation of questionnaire, sampling plan, sample size, sampling methods, determinants of optimal sample size, sampling techniques, probability versus non-probability sampling methods. So third module is about data collection, which is a very important step in any research process for that matter. What are the different types of data collection methods available and what are the importance of it and how we are doing it. So this is third module. Now fourth module is after collecting the data, you have to process it. So fourth module is about data processing. So processing stages, then editing, coding and data entry, validity of data, qualitative versus quantitative data analysis, frequency table, contingency table, graphs, measures of central tendency and index number, testing of hypothesis, bivariate and multivariate statistical techniques, factor analysis, discriminant analysis, cluster analysis, and interpretation. So, these are the various data processing techniques that we have. So we are going to learn some of the data processing techniques available. Then the final module is module 5. It's about research report. So after completing the whole process of business research, we have to document it in order to present it before somebody or else to use as a reference for the next generation. Okay, it's all about forming a document after completing your research process. So module 5 is research report. It's different types, the contents, need of executive summary, chapterization, contents of chapter, report writing stages, role of audience, readability, comprehension, tone, final proof, then report format, title of the report, ethics in research, subjectivity and objectivity in research. Okay, these are the five modules that we have to cover in the fifth semester. So I hope we got a small idea about the business research methods. So as the day progresses, we will understand the whole subjects, the whole concepts. So I hope everyone can cope with the challenges that arises on day by day. So dear students, these are testing times. But there is no compromise on learning. So try to be hopeful, optimistic, and also try to imbibe all the topics that we cover. And feel free to ask any queries that arises while you study. So dear students, that's it. Thank you.